The 2014 KTM 500 Exc 6 Days. Thanks to its tough construction, the KTM 500 Exc 6 Days can deal with everything you throw at him without breaking a sweat. Designed for the world's toughest enduro competition, the KTM 500 Exc 6 Days features a whole package of high-quality special options which help it deliver first-class off-road performances. Among the special equipments offered by the KTM 500 Exc 6 Days, you'll find new machined triple clamps, orange anodized, a black anodized handlebar, a Supersprox 2-piece rear sprocket with steel outer ring and aluminium star, and a Camel SXS seat with optimized foam core. The motorcycle weighs 111.5 kilograms and its power comes from a 510cc, one-cylinder, 4-stroke, water-cooled engine. The unit is combined with a 9-liter fuel tank and is mounted on an orange powder-coated entral tube frame made of chrome molybdenum steel tubing. The front wheel sits on a 48mm 4CS closed-cartridge fork from WP Suspension, while the rear one is kept in check by a lightweight, cast aluminium swingarm that features a PDS shock absorber. Hit the jump for more information on the KTM 500 Exc 6 Days. Overview. 2014 KTM 500 Exc 6 Days, legendary. The 500 Exc, ready to race for the world's largest enduro competition, the International 6 Days Enduro. 6 days in succession, over 1,000 off-road kilometers, 40 hours in the saddle, a grueling test, not only for the rider. A whole package of high-quality special options makes the KTM 500 Exc fit for this ruthless contest, in which more than half the starters bank on KTM every year. 500 Exc 6 Days, only authentic with the orange powder-coated frame of the KTM factory team. No other brand is anywhere near as strongly and successfully represented in off-road sport as KTM. This is particularly clear in the world's largest enduro competition, the International 6 Days Enduro (ISDE), where more than 500 enduro riders from over 30 countries compete for the World Team Championship. A marathon enduro race that places just as high demands on the motorcycles as it does on the riders. That's why year after year more than half the competitors place their trust in the tried and tested products from Austria. In 2013, the 6 Days race will be held on the Italian island of Sardinia. Those who want to arrive safely at the finish on the demanding, rocky terrain will have to make no compromises. In the form of the new 6 Days models, KTM offers well-proven, robust machines that fully satisfy the high demands of this extraordinarily tough competition. 2014 KTM 500 Exc 6 Days features and benefits. Superior chassis. Telescopic fork. The KTM 6 Days models are equipped with a 48mm 4CS closed-cartridge fork from WP Suspension. The 4-chamber technology 4CS patented by WP not only provides a key benefit in terms of responsiveness and consistent damping characteristics, it is also lighter and oil services prove to be far simpler than on the conventional closed-cartridge versions. The setting has been made slightly stiffer and sportier for the 2014 model year to give the fork even more reserves on extremely rutted tracks as well. Naturally, the setting can easily be adapted to track and rider in a matter of a few clicks at the top of the fork, compression damping on the left-hand shaft, rebound damping on the right, another advantage of the 4CS technology. Swingarm. All KTM Exc models are designed with a lightweight, cast aluminium swingarm featuring direct linkage of the PDS shock absorber on the upper side. The aluminium casting process allows production of a single-piece swingarm with unlimited geometric possibilities and reduces inconsistencies caused by welding work. The swingarm has been designed to provide targeted flexibility on the one hand, thereby bolstering the suspension, and high torsional stiffness on the other. Individual suspension settings. Each Exc model has its own individual suspension settings, optimally tuned to weight and engine. At the rear, a PDS shock absorber from WP Suspension works with a direct linkage to the upper side of the swingarm. The wide range of setting options for rebound damping and high and low speed compression damping are standard on KTM bikes. Frame. In keeping with KTM tradition, the frames are made from high-quality, lightweight chrome molybdenum steel profiles. In conjunction with the rear PDS damping system, they are designed for optimum absorption of shocks introduced into the frame by the rear wheel. In response to the trend for aluminium frames followed by our rivals, we supply a high-tech steel frame that weighs approximately 0.5 kilograms less than the lightest competitor. Moreover, it's easier to maintain, work on it is simpler, and it provides more space for the fuel tank and other components. Triple clamp. Meticulously finished triple clamps, machined from a solid block. Not only do they look classy in anodized orange, they are also designed in such a way that they support the responsiveness and sliding behavior of the new fork with their special shaping. The attachment points on the lower triple clamp have been adapted for new front fenders for the 2014 model year. High-quality wheels. The high-quality, alloy wheels from Giant made of extremely stable 7050 aluminium, featuring exclusive 6 Days lettering and CNC machined hubs, are standard on all KTM 6 Days models. The Maxxis FIM tires provide excellent traction, very precise directional control and a long service life. An additional 6 Days standard feature, the Supersprox 2-piece rear sprocket with steel outer ring and aluminium star. Brakes. High-tech brakes from Brembo have always been standard equipment on KTM off-road bikes and, together with the lightweight wave brake discs, they are the measure of all things in terms of brake technology. A new handbrake armature has been employed for the 2014 model year, with new remote reservoir, smaller brake piston diameter and a new lever with optimized lever kinematics. As a result, and thanks to optimized sintered brake pads Toyo B169, the performance and application of the front brake have been perceptibly improved again. Engine. Developed for tough enduro conditions, the 510.4cc SOHC engine is characterized by an extremely compact design, very easy maintenance and outstanding robustness, with weight kept to a minimum. Together with the Cayenne fuel injection system, this results in unrivaled performance and rideability, specially designed for enduro use. Cylinder head. The cylinder head is equipped with an overhead camshaft, which has been reduced in weight by approximately 10% from May 2014, as well as 2 titanium intake valves and 2 steel exhaust valves. The weight-optimized valve train, 40% lighter valve springs and valve spring retainers, results in lower friction and therefore both improved performance and reduced engine braking. Designed in accordance with the latest racing standards, a reinforced cylinder head gasket now also guarantees even greater durability in extreme conditions. The auto decompressor has also been reinforced to optimize its durability. Pistons. The lightweight forged piston with a box-in-box design is equipped with the high-performance piston rings of the 450 SXF from May 2014. The benefits are reduced oil consumption and optimized performance. Crankshaft. The crankshaft with 72.0 mm stroke and ultra-light connecting rod is manufactured by Pankel from a special, high-quality steel. As on the other EXCF models, it is equipped with a plain bearing in the lower Conrad eye. The previous needle bearing is replaced with 2 press-fit bearing shells that run directly on the crankshaft's crank pin. This design enhances the durability of the engine, thereby enabling an extension to the service intervals for the crankshaft. Engine Management System (EMS). The engine management system from Cayenne, with electronic fuel injection and 42 mm throttle body, ensures spontaneous responsiveness and maximum engine performance. An oil-cooled, 196W alternator provides sufficient power for the fuel injection system, lights and other electrical loads. Various engine characteristics can be selected via the EMS, with a map select switch available as a power part. Furthermore, a user setting tool, also available as an option, allows data to be read from the bike by laptop and the mapping, ignition and fuel injection to be modified in a matter of a few mouse clicks. Balancer shaft. To counterbalance the inertia forces, the engine has a balancer shaft that acts simultaneously as a drive for the water pump. Transmission. The 6-speed transmission is designed specifically for the engine characteristics of the 500cc engine and for every type of enduro use. It excels with precise and easy shifting. DDS clutch. The single-piece outer hub of the further optimized DDS damped diaphragm steel clutch is machined along with its primary gear from a solid block of high-strength steel. This process guarantees unbeatable reliability and allows the engine to be extremely narrow thanks to the compact, rivetless design of the outer clutch hub. In addition, this design allows use of thin steel discs, which also contributes to the compact dimensions of the clutch. The diaphragm spring enables implementation of an additional hub damping mechanism, a benefit in terms of traction and gearbox wear. Furthermore, an optimized inner clutch hub improves the durability of the clutch. Finally, in conjunction with the diaphragm spring, the hydraulic clutch actuation system from Brembo ensures very smooth and very precise clutch control. Oil circuit. The engine is equipped with 2 oil pumps and a common oil circuit. A pressure pump supplies reliable lubrication to the crankshaft, piston, balancer shaft and valve controls. It also ensures cooling of the ignition and lubrication of the clutch. A suction pump draws oil from the crankcase and uses it to lubricate the transmission. Slim ergonomics for perfect control. Bodywork. The KTM 500e Exc 6 Days has bodywork with extremely slim ergonomics and excellent contact points between rider and machine. It provides unlimited freedom of movement. For May 2014, the bike excels with the graphics restyled in 2013 in the colors of the ISDE in Germany. Handlebar. The Exc 500 6 Days is equipped with a tapered Nikon handlebar made from high-strength aluminium alloy. In accordance with the proven KTM standard, the handlebar can be fixed in a choice of 4 positions. Redesigned handguards made from ultra-sturdy 2-component plastic have been fitted for the 2014 model year, ensuring more efficient hand protection. The newly installed clutch armature from Brembo has been adapted to the appearance of the brake armature. With exclusive special equipment. 6 Days equipment. 4CS closed-cartridge fork from WP suspension with revamped settings. Frame with high-quality orange coating in race look. New machined triple clamps, orange anodized. Black anodized handlebar with KTM 6 Days logo. Supersprox 2-piece rear sprocket with steel outer ring and aluminium star. Solid rear brake disc, no slots, holes. Camel SXS seat with optimized foam core. Skid plate. Radiator guard. Exhaust silencer with 6 Days anodizing anthracite and 6 Days logo. Wheels featuring high-quality, black anodized rims made by Giant with 6 Days logo and black spokes. Quick-release spindle at the front. Orange radiator grille. Orange chain guide. New Speedo from May. Exclusive 6 Days graphics. Specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.